Hi, so today I'm going to use the Got to Be by Schwarzkopf. This is a orange toner. It's called Peach Babe, and I'm gonna see what it looks like on top of this very pale frosé color. So yeah, I purchased this myself. It's a spray. I thought this was going to be a product that I could just smear through my hair, but it looks like it's something that I'm going to have to spray on, which is so tedious. It takes so much time to spray a product on, but you know what? I don't know. We're just gonna do it. It's empty, the bottle's empty. This is what we're left with. So I'm gonna go rinse my hair off because I am absolutely sick of, I'm so sick of squirting this all over myself. Do not buy this. This is a complete waste of money and time. I'm gonna show you what my workspace looks like because this has completely destroyed my room. Look at this garbage. So first off, you have my arm completely coated. My pants are completely coated. My workstation is completely coated. This was a 0 out of 0. I hate this product so much. I'm gonna show you the results. And here are the results. So as you can see, it is a pale pastel orange. It turned out a lot better than I was expecting. It was so dark that I just ended up shampooing it out of my hair. And I think that was a good decision because it was really dark. Overall, I still think that is probably one of the worst products I've ever used. It was incredibly messy. My hair still feels really dry even though I shampooed it and conditioned it. And you can see I put a lot of oil in it, so. But yeah, that was way too difficult to use. That was a disaster. Yeah, I will never use a spray thing ever again. That was awful. So I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments what video you would like me to make next. Although I'm probably just gonna do another hair video. I have to bleach my roots, and then I think I'm gonna go purple or blue. Let me know which one you think I should do, purple or pastel blue. They're gonna be pastel colors. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you in some way, and I will see you in the next video. Harold wants to say goodbye. Harold wants to say goodbye. Come here, Fairy. Say goodbye.